How to fix Claude desktop app loading and lag, clear cache and reset guide. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix the Claude desktop app when it is loading slowly or lagging, using a clear cache and reset guide that works right now. If you use Claude desktop and it feels sluggish, slow to open or laggy while you are typing, this is a known issue for some users, especially on machines running multiple extensions or background processes. The good news is there are several practical fixes you can try before assuming something is broken for good. Let's go through them. Step 1. Check Anthropic's status page first. Before doing any local fixes, quickly visit the Claude status page. If there is a server-side incident happening, no local fix will help, so this saves you time. Step 2. Update the app to the latest version. Open Claude Desktop and check for the latest update through the app or by re-downloading from the official Claude downloads page. A lot of lag and freezing issues get patched in newer releases, so this should always be your first real troubleshooting step. Step 3. Restart the app completely. Don't just close the window. On Windows, right-click the Claude icon in your system tray and choose Quit, then reopen it from the Start menu. On Mac, use Command-Q to fully quit, not just close the window, then relaunch from your Applications folder. Step 4. Clear the app's local cache and data. Fully quit Claude Desktop first. On Windows, go to the App Data folder for Claude under your user profile and clear out the cache folder. On Mac, go to your library, then Application Support, and locate the Claude cache folder to clear it. This removes corrupted local data that can cause slow rendering and input lag, and Claude will rebuild what it needs the next time you sign in. Step 5. Review your connected extensions and MCP servers. If you have several extensions or MCP servers connected, the desktop app loads all of them when it starts, and this can significantly slow down startup and general responsiveness. Go to Settings, then Extensions, and disable any you are not actively using. Step 6. Disable Kawark if you are not using it. If you don't need the Kawark feature, avoid starting sessions that spin up its virtual machine, since this consumes background resources even when idle. Only launch Kawark sessions when you actually plan to use them. Step 7. Close background apps and check system resources. Since Claude Desktop is a resource-intensive app, closing unnecessary background programs, especially other Electron-based apps like Chrome with many tabs or Discord, can free up enough memory to noticeably improve performance. Step 8. Reinstall as a last resort. If none of the above works, fully uninstall Claude Desktop, restart your computer, then download a fresh copy from the official Claude downloads page and sign in again. Now for some pro tips. If you are on Windows and using the Microsoft Store version, some GPU-related lag issues are tied to that specific packaging and may not be fixable locally. So keeping the app updated is especially important for you. Also, if you only need quick text answers and don't need the visual interface, using Claude through the browser at claude.ai can sometimes feel more responsive if your desktop app is struggling. And always report specific performance issues with your system specs, since detailed feedback helps Anthropic prioritize fixes in future updates. That's everything you need to fix Claude desktop loading and lag issues in 2026. If this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials like this one. Let me know in the comments, did clearing the cache fix your lag, or did you need to go all